3, go! Go! Hey ya! 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 Korochi is now for him. Okay, the next group there, 9, 10, 11.
Let me tie it for you.
Can you come forward, please? The mic come forward.
Suraban!
Oh, you have to
It's okay, balloon.
We give only 3 people. Surround that side.
This one is begging for balloon.
How many? Okay. Wait,
Daddy, I'll give you a chase.
Can you give me the balloon, please? Oh, yo. I don't think that's good. Okay.
That one, they will play. I want yellow.
No, you don't decide what to do. All right. So we start.
Choose some next time game. Okay.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hey ya! Hey ya! Hey ya! Hey ya! Hey ya! Hey ya! Hey.
We got the win already. What's your name? The winner is Esther.
Esther is the winner.
Now there's another game. We have to wait behind. We have more games to play.
Yes.
So the end game will be Wisdom, I saw you. I saw you there. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Listen this time.
Joe.
Oh, you do the forever. Everybody is 042, but I what? 042 and the brothers of 042. Every fight. Ghost mama. Ghost mama. One, two, three, go!
Come here and grab us.
Everybody say, hey, yeah, go, hey, yeah, go, hey, yeah, go, hey, yeah, go, hey, yeah,
No, she blew it.
No, you did not help her.
You don't have to give it to her.
It's a game. Voila.
What is her name? Can we clap for
her?
So the winner is Team Kesiri. Wow. The next group is 6, 7, 8. I think this line. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 6, 7. Okay, where are the lines? Just on the line like this. 6, 7, 8. Okay. We don't have enough balloons.
You get what I said.
We don't have enough balloons.
Wisdom plenty. Wisdom take.
A girl, a boy, a girl.
They get what I said.
Please, if the balloon is not enough, don't worry, we'll get some later. So, we do like this. This thing, don't worry.
Venta, let's go in.
Wait. It's not going to break, no, but we'll do like this, don't worry. No. Wait.
Can we do that? Don't 6,
9.
9. You're 9.
9, 10 should be one side. Yeah.
Join that group 9.
Yes, this one 10-year-old.
Destiny 7, oh. You are the winner. Tester.
Number one. I can never do the woman. Number one. I'm gonna go number one. Let's from loving brothers who do woman. Number one. Can even have a look at woman. Number one. I'm gonna bet you woman. Number one. Papa Jawaba. Woman. Number one. And now no woman. Number one. And just say his loyal majesty. Woman. Number one. Oh, you really want to know bossy woman. Number one. So move on a China. Woman. Number one. You better bring brothers to the woman. Number one. As if you come and I know woman. Number one. So move on and got it. Woman. Number one. I'm gonna bet you woman. Number one. Mercy woman. Number one. Mercy woman. Number one. Mercy woman. Number one. I'm gonna bet you mercy woman. Number one. Mercy woman. Number one. Guess him a cousin Bondu. Mercy woman. Number one. Cousin Bondu na lovely brother. Mercy woman. Number one. I'm gonna bet you mercy woman. Number one. I'm bet you mercy woman. Number one. Here we go. Mercy woman. Number one. Who gonna be one? Oh, Biggie Boy. Oh, who gonna be? Oh, lovely brother. Oh, gonna be one. Oh, we be the boy. Oh, you go see. Oh. kasama sawanje igwe ayaya sawanje yoba chuku kalowa igbo bosi wa mama oga ko de bene sawanje what very special agere water since morning I never talk I never drink I never smoke come on even to woman I never fuck sawanje ayaya sawanje yoba chuku kalowa igwe wa mama oga ko de bene sawanje sawanje Maria wewe mo sawanje mad boy you say wewe sawanje Igbo bosibaye sawanje Igbo bosibaye yeah and ewo Igbo wande oh Igbo bosiye iya ya biko gotere makwara no abaya kasama sawanje
your son
ayaya sawanje
Next time, come here for you want my number.
Since the morning.
Okay, yeah, call me there. We can talk so I can see you. I can go let you. I will do that. Then we can. I can go with you.
Number iPhone again. Ndị iPhone kale biko na just ka anyị na anyị na-ebido ihe a mobile now. No biko. DJ. Okay, chairman. Igbo mama. Biko ọ bụ na unu ga-enye audience. Tony. Nwanne. Biko. Lawrence. Biko anyị na-anabata onye ọbụla bịara ebe a bụ onye Igbo. Asị m just ilekwa anyị. Biko ihe a bụ Igbo Union. Igbo Union na Stockholm. Ihe anyị ruru ihe a na-akpọ Idiela Foreni. Anyị nwawu ihe na-asọpọtụ onwe anyị. Anyị nwa na-asọpọtụ onwe anyị. Ihe niile e nwere ebe a ewetara ebe a. All members we have with area. All members were support. I do no. So because Imani woni Igbo neba. Imani Igbo neba. Kabaho bia baye na union. Ko hapo edika ko na ya mari hai neme. So Imani Igbo oni Igbo no na Stockholm. No na Stockholm anwa. Deba tata. Because can you people out for that? You don't know. I were Gabriel. Because you are come on Gabriel. I were Gabriel ever. We just meet here. That's a Musho because because no, you are up at them because ata no am isa asasa na ara mmiri asasa ya wuru ka wurilu biko iwuru onye Igbo na ebe a biko biti on Gabriel idera ya na akwụkwọ so that mgbe ọzọ kwanu isorokwa i contribute kwa ihe anụwa niile anyị wetara ebe anụwa ka iwe soro wee ka iwe na-eburu Igbo na-aga n'iru na mmadụ abụghị ọgwụ ibe ya udo dịrị ụlọ mana anyị ga-entertain onye ọbụla otu ihe anyị ga-enye unu special entertainment. Because you don't do